Hello traders and welcome to Simple Forex Setups. Today I'm going to go through 10 currency pairs and look at some setups on for entry on the 4-hourly time frame. So I'll go and share my screen. If you have any questions, please pop them into the chat box. Alrighty. So the first currency pair I'm going to have a look at is Aussie USD. This is a trade that I'm already in for a short. So on the weekly time frame, I'm looking at that channel going downwards. On the daily, it's had a few bars now going down. There was a good setup there about a week ago that I missed. Tried to enter long there, which was a bad mistake. So back in on the short there now and just holding on. So still in that trade there. Let me just have a check of the questions. Oh, good. Okay. Great to hear, Helen. Yes, I got bumped out, but glad you're still in. All right, let's have a look. The next currency pair I'm looking at is GBPUSD. And GBPUSD, I'm looking for a short. So on the weekly, looking at that sort of trend going downwards. Daily, tried, tested those sort of levels up here. So still looking to enter a short in anywhere in this area. There was that massive price action over those two bars. That was quite big. So at the moment, I'm looking for the price to come up a little bit, maybe halfway or to the top, and then looking for a short again after that. So let's see what happens with that one. Next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is EURUSD. So on EURUSD, I'm looking for long. This is more of just a ranging market, so I'm just looking for long from the bottoms there. On the daily, had a good little pin bar there, so I'm looking for price action on 4-hourly to see if there will be a reversal. And if there is a reversal, I'm looking to go long. Next currency pair I'm looking at is USDJPY. So that's still in that ranging sort of area. I'm looking for a short. So I'm looking to short from that horizontal. And yeah, there have been, a lot of those pin bars just trying to test that level on the daily, still going sideways. So in terms of the entry on the 4-hourly, I'm looking for the price to go either a little bit further up or if it drops down, then a retest at the bottom. So I'm not sure what's going to be happening here. If it keeps to ranging and goes back up here, then again, I'll be looking for a short in that area. Next currency pair I'm looking at is GBPJPY. So GBPJPY, I'm looking for a short. I wasn't up for those massive bars, so I didn't get in. On the weekly, I'm looking at that as the trend going down now of the horizontal. So daily, we had that massive price action yesterday, which is looking good in support of that price to go down. So in terms of the entry on the 4-hourly, I'm looking for price action to either come back into that entry zone, so back up to the top or halfway, or if it keeps going down, then a retest back up at that level here. So still looking for a short opportunity on GBPJPY. Next currency pair I'm going to look at is EURAUD. Now with EURAUD, I am looking for a long. So in terms of where we are on the weekly, it is coming up and hitting this sort of level of what could be there, a resistance or this support there. So it could go either way. It could go back up to there, or it will turn around here. So let's see what happens with that one. But at the moment, I'm just going with the trend and going long on this one. But potentially a reversal around this area. So a bit cautious with that. You know, we have that bearish engulfing there. So could be taking that down, but I will wait and go for a long on this one. All right, a question. We have a question about GBPJPY was showing a small profit, but it turned up. How it comes back down. Yeah, with GBPJPY, let me see. Yeah, I'm still, you know, bearish on this. So even if it comes up a bit, I would still look for a short after that. All right, the next currency pair I'm going to look at is EURJPY. EURJPY, I'm looking for a short. So it's come off that horizontal there on the weekly. So on the daily, already did quite a good turn at that top of the channel, what now forms the channel. So I'm still looking for a short. Again, there was an entry opportunity there. For me, that's middle of the night, so I didn't get in. So if the price comes back up, I would then be looking for a reversal around this area and looking to enter for a short then. Next currency pair I'm going to look at is USDCAD. So USDCAD, I'm looking for a short. So on the weekly, I'm looking at that. Let me just zoom that out. As the levels at the moment, it could be a bit higher, but this is where I've got it at the moment. So I'm definitely looking for a short after this area here. I would prefer to wait for that sideways movement to finish, which could be now. So it could enter there, but we've got the horizontal in the way, so I'm going to wait, see if it comes down and then does a retest from the bottom, from on the side, and then looking for short after that. So let's see what happens with that one. Next, EURGBP. And EURGBP, I'm looking for long. So I'm trading this as a ranging market between those two levels. Still looking for a long on this one. The price has just not been doing anything exciting. So on the 4-hourly, yeah, no real clear entry there. So I'm still waiting. Probably would like to see the price pull back ideally to that level there of the previous lows, and then taking a long position if there is a reversal at that level. So looking for the entry zone to be there. The next currency pair, the last one, is GBPCAD. So GBPCAD, I'm looking for short. Now we are very close to that horizontal, which is a resistance at the moment. So on the daily, we have a bit of sideways movement. We had a couple of tests there that got rejected. So this is looking good for a setup. In terms of the 4-hourly, at the moment, I'm going to wait for either price to come back to the horizontal today or tomorrow. Otherwise, possibly a bit further down, and then a reversal after that. I'm looking for short on this one. So that's all the analysis for today. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to pop in to the chat box the link to my Telegram group. So if you would like to follow along any of the trade entries and trade management updates, you can follow along in the Inner Circle Telegram group. Otherwise, thank you very much for listening today, and I look forward to seeing you again next week. So Wednesday, 1 p.m. Singapore time. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.